Through this video, we are discussing these chapters: integrals, applications of integrals, differential equations, vector algebra and three-dimensional geometry, linear programming and probability. Yes, integrals. Let us discuss first question: integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Actually, this is an odd function. Then minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 will be 0 is the answer, but we can do it manually. We know integral sin x equal to minus cos x. Then applying limit minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. So first you put pi by 2 for x, that is minus cos pi by 2, then minus, then substitute minus pi by 2 for this x, minus cos minus pi by 2. Okay. So minus cos pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90, cos 90 equal to 0. So minus 0, and hence two negatives positive. This is also 0. Minus 0 plus 0, that is 0. Okay. Find integral from 0 to 2 x square dx as limit of sum. To solve this type of problem, we need a formula, that is what integral from a to b f of x dx equal to b minus a into limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into f 1 by n into f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus f of a plus 3h plus etc. At last f of a plus n minus 1 into h. This formula is to be learned by heart to solve this type of limit or sum problem. Okay, where this h is what? H is taken as b minus a by n. Okay, so by using the formula we can solve this problem. Integral from 0 to 2 x square dx. So f of x means x square, a means 0, b means 2. Then b minus a, that is 2 minus 0, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, f of a means 0, f of 0 plus h means f of 0 plus 2h, and so on, f of 0 plus n minus 1 into h. That is 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, f of 0, f of h, 0 plus h means h, 2h and n minus 1 h. What is f of 0? We know f of x equal to x square. So f of 0 is equal to 0 square. Okay, 0 square. F of h means f of x, x square. So f of h square. h square, 2h square, 3h square, 4h square, at last n minus 1 h square. 0 square means 0 itself, that can be removed. So h square, 2 square 4, 4h square, 9h square, etc. up to n minus 1 whole square h square. Right. Then from here h square can be taken outside. Then 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus etc. plus n minus 1 whole square. Okay, 1 plus 4 means 2 square, then 3 square up to n minus 1 whole square. Okay, then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus etc. plus n square. Its formula is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, what is that? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So if there is n minus 1, then n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 into 2n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, if there is n, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, so this the formula is applied. N minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 into 2n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 6 is the formula. What is h? H means b minus a by n. So h square b minus a by n whole square. Okay, so 2 minus 0 by means 2 by 2 square 4 by n square, n minus 1 and minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, n, 2 into n 2, 2 into n 2n minus 2 plus 1, and this can be simplified as this one. Okay, so we got n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 by 6. For this n and n square means n cube, 4 by n cube. Yes, okay. From here we can take n outside, so that is what n into n is taken outside, then 1 minus, there is no n to take common, so 1 by n. N into 1 minus 1 by n, and this n is here. From here also n is taken outside, 2 minus 1 by n. Okay, so n cube and this n cube, then it can be cancelled. Okay, so remaining is what? 1 by n into 2 minus 1 by n. Okay, when n tends to infinity, what? 1 minus 1 by infinity, 2 minus 1 by infinity. Okay, and this 4 into 2 becomes 8, and that's okay. Then we know that 1 by infinity means 0. Okay, so 1 into 2 only. Okay, so answer is what? 8 by 3. 16 by 6, that can be simplified 8 by 3. Okay, so anyway, to solve this type of limit of sum, this formula is needed. Okay, right. Then another question: integral sine tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. To solve this problem, we are making a substitution for tan inverse x, that is u. And what is du by dx? D by dx of tan inverse x, its formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then this dx is moving to right side, then dx divided by 1 plus x square, which is du. Okay, integral sine, this is what? U. Sine u. What is dx by 1 plus x square? Dx by 1 plus x square means du. Okay, du. So integral sine u du. What is integral sine x formula? Minus cos x. So minus cos u plus c. What is u? Tan inverse x. Okay, this formula, integral from 0 to pi by 2 root of sin x divided by root of sin x plus root of cos x. This is a very simple question, and this is taken as equation number 1, that is integral I. Okay, I integral. So it is taken as equation number 1. Then we have the formula integral from a to b f of x dx is integral from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is common formula to solve this type of problem. What is the integral from a to b f of x dx is equal to integral from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, so let us take this question. Then what is f of x? Root of sin x divided by root of sin x plus root of cos x. Then what is f of a plus b minus x? So instead of this x, we are making a plus b, 0 plus pi by 2, 0 plus pi by 2 minus x, a plus b minus x, that is 0 plus pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, here also 0 plus pi by 2 minus x, 0 into pi by 2 minus x, this one. Then 0 is not needed, so integral from 0 to pi by 2 minus x. Okay, pi by 2 minus x dx. Pi by 2 means 90 minus x, sin 90 minus x means cos x. Okay, sin 90 minus x cos x, cos 90 minus x sin x. Okay, or cos x divided by root of sin x plus cos x, this can be interchanged. Okay, root of sin x plus cos x, this is equation number 2. So equation number 1 is what? This one, question I, it is another I, equation number 2. Okay, so let us add equation number 1 and 2, that is I plus I 2y. Equation number 1 means question I integral, this one. Equation number 2 means another I, this one. Then when we are adding these two equations, I plus I means 2y. 2y is equal to this plus this. Okay, this plus this. Then 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Same denominator, root of sin s plus root of cos s here, root of sin s plus root of cos s here, then root of sin s plus root of cos s. Okay, like this. Then this can be cancelled. So 1 into dx. What is integral dx? X. Then 0 to pi by 2 limit. Okay, 2y is equal to this one. Then you substitute pi by 2 for x, then minus 0 for x. Okay, pi by 2 minus 0. So 2y is equal to pi by 2 minus 0, or I is equal to pi by 2 which is pi by 4. For this type of question, answer will always be what? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 is the answer. This question, integral from dx divided by x square minus 16. So there is a formula, integral dx divided by x square minus a square equal to what? 1 by 2a into log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. This is a common formula. 1 by 2a into log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. So here integral dx divided by x square minus 16 means 4 square. So this formula is applied. Instead of a, there is 4. 1 by 2 into a means 1 by 2 into 4 log x minus a, x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 plus c. Okay, so that is all about this question. 1 by 2 into 4 means 1 by 8. Integral sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. There also a substitution 1 plus cos x is equal to u. Then what is du by dx? Derivative of 1 is 0, cos x minus sin x. So answer minus sin x. Then du by dx is equal to minus sin x. Then what is dx? What is du? Minus sin x dx. Or this negative is putting this side. So minus du is equal to sin x dx. Okay. So sin x dx is what? Sin x dx is equal to minus du. Minus du divided by 1 plus cos x means u. So minus du by u. Minus is taken outside. Then 1 by u du. That is log u plus c. What is u? U means 1 plus cos x. U means 1 plus cos x. Okay. This question, integral from 3x square divided by x raised to 6 plus 1 dx. For this we are making a substitution. This question can be rearranged as x raised to 6 means x cube square. 3 into 6. Okay. Then substituting x cube as u. Then du by dx means what? 3x square. Du is equal to what? 3x square dx. Okay. Du means 3x square dx. Then here integral 3x square dx means what? Du. X cube means what? U square plus 1. Okay. So integral du by u square plus 1. What is integral du by, or du means 1 by 1 plus u square du. Okay. This is tan inverse u. This is formula. Tan inverse u plus c. What is u? U means x cube. So this is x cube. Seventh question. Integral 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. For we are making integration by partial fraction, that is a by x minus 1, b by x minus 2, c by x minus 3. Then these a, b and c are to be calculated. Here 3x minus 1 divided by, this is okay. Then cross multiplication, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Right. Then what? A into these two. Okay, plus b into this and this, plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, is this one. These denominators can be cancelled. So 3x minus 1 is equal to numerator. Okay. Then we can make a different substitution for x. Here x minus 2. If x is equal to 2, then 2 minus 2 will be 0. Then this will be very easy to calculate. So first x is equal to 2. Then what? 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 is equal to 0. So 2 minus 2, 0. So a into this whole expression will be 0. Plus b into 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. Okay, this one. C into, when x is equal to, this is also 0. So same as 0. So what is the answer? 5 is equal to minus b. Okay, or b is equal to minus 5. And similarly, when x is equal to 3, here 3 can be substituted. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is this will be very simple. When x is equal to 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 is equal to, and so on. Putting x is equal to 3 here, 3 here, then we will get this type of expression, and hence c is equal to 4. Similarly, put x is equal to, yes, 1 can be substituted. 1 can be substituted. Then we got another expression, and hence a is equal to 1. So applying these values of a, b and c, then integral here a, b, c. And substitute that integral 1 by x minus 1 dx plus b into the minus 5 on, c into the 4 on. Okay. So integral 1 by x minus 1 means log x minus 1 plus this minus 5 is taken outside, then log x minus 2, and 4 is taken outside, log x minus 3 plus 3. Plus minus minus. Okay, that is answer. This question, integral from log x dx. To solve this problem, we are making a substitution. We are making a formula, integration by parts. Okay, integral u v dx. U is first function, v is second function. Okay, then u into integral of v dx minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v dx. So this is a formula called as what? Integration by parts. Integral u v dx is equal to u into, or first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function dx. Okay. So when you draw this integral symbol, there must be dx, and this dx is for this symbol, and this dx is for this symbol, and this dx is for this symbol. Okay. Integral log x dx means what? We can rearrange log x as log x into 1. Then this is u, this is v. Okay. u v. Then for taking the criteria for taking u and v for a function, there is a criteria ILATE, ILATE. I means inverse trigonometry, L means logarithmic function, A means algebra, T means trigonometry, E means exponential. Okay, here in the question to be applied for partial integration by parts, this order must be followed. First function will be inverse trigonometry. Okay, here first one log x, L. Okay, L. Then this one means algebra. Okay, so this is order. After L, then after L there is A, L, A. Okay, so this this ILATE can be applied here. So similarly, if log x is equal, when we are taking log x equal to 1 into log x, then first algebra, then logarithmic. That is not possible. Okay, first logarithm, then algebra. Then applying the formula u v, u into as log x into integral of v dx minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v. So this formula is applied where u is equal to log x and v is equal to 1. Then this line is obtained. Log x into what is integral 1 dx, x minus what is derivative of log x, d by dx of log x 1 by x, integral 1 dx x, and this dx. Okay, these x's are cancelled, so integral 1 dx means dx. Okay, so x into log x. This is style of expression. First we take x log x minus 1 dx. Okay, what is integral 1 dx, dx itself. So x log x minus x plus c. Now in the question, integral x sin x dx, integral x sin x dx. Okay, x means algebra, sin x means trigonometry, algebra, trigonometry. So let us discuss ILATE, algebra, trigonometry. Okay, so this is u, this is v. Okay, then u into for integral of v minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v dx. So x into what is integral of sin x minus cos x minus integral derivative of x 1, integral sin x minus cos x dx. Two negatives will become positive, minus x cos x. What is integral cos x? Integral cos x means sin x. Okay, so this is the answer. Another question to solve in limit of sums formula. So this type of question is discussed in the first section. What is formula? Integral from a to b f of s dx is equal to b minus a, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n to f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus etc. plus last f of a plus n minus 1 into h, where h is what? B minus a by n. So f of x means x, then b minus a, 2 minus 1 into limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. F of a, what is f of a? F of 1, f of a plus h, 1 plus h, f of a plus 2h, 1 plus 2h, a means 1, a means 1, and then plus 2h. Okay, and this line is obtained. What is f of 1? F of x means x, then f of 1 means 1. Okay, f of 1 means 1, f of 1 plus h means 1 plus h, f of 1 plus 2h means 1 plus 2h, and this line is obtained. Then how many ones? 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and up to here there is n ones, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. Then h plus 2h plus 3h plus etc. plus n minus 1 into h. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n ones, there is so n. If 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1, 2. Then when there are 2 ones, answer will be 1 plus 1, 2. 3 ones, 3. N ones, n. Okay. When h is taken outside, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n minus 1. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into this n plus h into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n minus 1. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n, suppose this is n, then what is the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. If there is n minus 1, n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. If there is k, k into k plus 1 by 2. Okay, yes, n plus n plus h into n minus 1, this minus 1 and plus 1 are cancelled, so n minus 1 into n by 2, n minus 1 into n by 2. Okay, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, n plus what is h? B minus a by n, b minus 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 by n into and this one. Okay, so 1 by n into n plus 2 minus 1 1 by n into the same step. Then here n plus this n and this n cancelled, so n minus 1 by 2. Okay, then we are taking n outside. From here n outside, so 1 plus n minus 1 by 2. From here n is taken outside, and 1 plus from here also n is taken outside, that is n into 1 minus 1 by n divided by 2. Okay, so n into 1, no need of this bracket. This bracket now. Okay, n into 1 plus n into n is taken outside, n into 1 minus 1 by n by 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 by n by 2. Then this n and this n can be taken outside, so 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n by 2. Right, these n's are cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus 1 by n by 2. When n tends to infinity, what? 1 by infinity by 2. 1 by infinity is what? 0. So 1 by 2. Right, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Okay. Another question, integral from 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. Integral from 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. What is mod x minus 5? Inside this mod symbol, either there may be plus or minus. Anyway, we will take as plus. Okay, so inside this mod symbol there may be plus or minus. If plus means what? Plus x minus 5. Plus means x greater than 5. Minus means x less than 5. Okay, so integral from 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx means 2 to 8. 2 model 8 to 8. So first we are moving 2 to 5, then 5 to 8. Okay, 2 to 5 and 5 to 8. 2 to 5, 5 to 8. 2 to 5 means less than 5. Okay, x less than 5. So this minus x minus 5 is taken here. 5 to 8 means x greater than 5, so plus x minus 5 is used. Right, this minus is taken outside. Integral from 2 to 5 x minus 5 dx, this is same. So minus, what is integral x? X raised to 1, that is x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is x square by 2. And integral 5 is taken outside, integral dx x, so 5x. Then applying limit 2 to 5, right, plus x square by 2 minus 5x, 5 to 8, right. Then firstly applying 5 for x. 5 for means what? 5 square by 2. 5 square means 25. 25 by 2 means 12.5 minus 5 into 5, 25. Right, minus. Then 2. 2 square 4. 4 by 2, 2. 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10. And similarly, 8 for x square, that is 8 square by 2. 64 by 2, 32. Minus 5 into 8, 40. Okay, minus 5 for x, 25 by 2, 12.5 minus 25. Right, minus 12.5 minus 25 means minus 12.5. This is minus 8. Right, plus 32 minus 40 minus 8 minus 12.5 minus 25 minus 12.5. Minus 12.5 plus 8 plus minus 8 plus 12.5. Okay, so this is answer 9. You can solve or you can calculate the remaining step. Answer will be 9. This question, integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 3 by 2x dx divided by sin raised to 3 by 2x plus cos raised to 3 by 2x. Anyway, answer will be what? Pi by 4. We have discussed this question in the first page. Okay, this is taken as equation number 1, that's I. What is our formula? Integral from a to b f of x dx is equal to integral from a to b f of a plus b minus x. So here a means what? 0. 0 plus pi by 2 minus x, like this. 0 plus pi by 2 or pi by 2 plus 0 minus x. Okay, okay. Pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Sin pi by 2 means 90. Sin 90 minus x cos x. So cos raised to 3 by 2x. And similarly, sin raised to 3 by 2, pi by 2 minus x means cos raised to 3 by 2x. And similarly, sin raised to 3 by 2, equation number 2, and equation number 1 plus 2 means what? I plus I 2a, and equation number this 1 plus 2. Okay, same denominator, so one denominator is needed. Sin raised to 3 by 2x plus cos raised to 3 by 2x. Now this can be cancelled, right? So dx, integral from 0 to pi by 2 dx. Integral dx means x, 0 to pi by 2. First pi by 2 for x, then minus 0 for x. So answer is pi by 2. That's 2i is equal to pi by 2. Then I is equal to pi by 4. So that is all about the integration chapter. Then its applications. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x-axis in first quadrant. So we are drawing first quadrant, and this is curve y square equal to x from 1 to 4. Suppose this point is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So area under the curve means this part. Y square equal to x. Then what is y root x? What is the formula to find area? Area under the curve means integral from a to b y dx. Okay, a to b means 1 to 4. 1 to 4 y dx. What is y root x? Root x dx. What is root x? X raised to 1 by 2. Then what is integral x raised to n? X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that formula is applied here. 1 to 2. That is, this is 3 by 2. 1 plus half. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. First we apply 4 for x. So x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. And 4 raised to 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 can be modified here. 3 into 1, 3 by 2. That is 4 raised to 1 by 2 whole cube. That's 3 by 2 itself. Divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 means 1 itself by 3 by 2. 4 raised to 1 by 2 means what? Root to 4. Root to 4 is 2. And 2 cube divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 by 2. 2 cube 8. Same denominator. So one denominator is needed. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 by 3 by 2. Or this 2 can be loaded to the upper part. 7 into 2 by 3. 14 by 3. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this is our ellipse, and it is origin 0 and it is a in x square by a square plus y square by b square. So this is a. So when we integrate from 0 to a, only this shared part will be obtained. Then final answer into 4 means total area. Okay, there are 4 places, right? Area means what? Integral from 0 to a y dx. What is y here? We can calculate y. We know that equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And what is y square by b square? This can be moved other side. Okay. Then after cross multiplication, a square minus x square by a square. Then y square is equal to what? B square can be moved right side. B square by a square into a square minus x square. This one. Then what is y? B by a into root of a square minus x square. That's y. And that y is applied here. B by a into root of a square minus x square dx. This b by a is taken outside. 0 to a square minus x square dx. Then you learn a formula by heart. Integral root of a square minus x square is, this is the formula. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. This formula is to be learned by heart. Okay. Then limit is 0 to a. Then apply a for x, then minus 0 for x. That is what. So this is the formula. Then b by a into, first you apply x as a by 2 into root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a minus, then 0 for x, 0 by 2 root of a square minus 0 square plus a square by 2 sin inverse 0 by a. Okay. So a square minus a square 0. So this whole expression is 0. A by a means 1, sin inverse 1, sin inverse 1. Okay, a square by 2 sin inverse 1 minus 0 by 2 into this is 0, and this is the whole term will be 0. Okay. So answer is what? A square by 2 sin inverse 1. What is sin inverse 1? Pi by 2, because sin 90 is 1. So sin inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. Right. So 2 into 2, 4. Okay. So pi into 1a can be cancelled. Okay. Pi into ab divided by 4. That is the area for this part only. Then we have to multiply by 4 to get the whole area. 4 into area of ellipse is equal to 4 into this answer. So 4 are cancelled. Pi ab will be the answer. Differential equations. And the degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. We know that this is second order equation, order 2. Then what about its exponential 1? D square y by dx square whole raised to 1. So that's 1 is the degree, order 2 and degree 1. For the differential equation corresponding to the family of straight lines y equal to mx, where m is an arbitrary constant. So we have given y is equal to mx. Taken d by dx on both sides, d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of mx. Okay, m is taken outside, m into d by dx is 1. So dy by dx means m. Okay, so apply y is equal to ms. Y is equal to what is m? M is dy by dx. Y equal to dy by dx into x. Right, this is the differential equation. Solve the differential equation dy by dx equal to x plus y by x. Dy by dx equal to x plus y by x. Okay, and this is separated, x by x plus y by x. This is 1 plus y by x. Dy by dx, this y by x is moved to other side, minus y by x equal to 1. Dy by dx plus, suppose this is plus, then minus y by x, or minus 1 by x into y. Y is written with the gap. Okay, minus 1 into y minus y itself equal to 1. Then this is of the formula dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. What is p of x? Minus 1 by x. What is q of x? 1. Then to solve this differential equation, an integrating factor is needed. What is the formula for finding integrating factor? E raised to integral p of x dx. E raised to integral, what is p of x? Minus 1 by x dx. Minus is taken outside. E raised to minus integral 1 by x dx. That is e raised to minus log x. Okay, by the condition of logarithm, this minus is the exponential of this x raised to minus 1. And this minus 1 is in the right side by the property of logarithm. E and log can be cancelled, so x raised to minus 1 is the answer. X raised to minus 1 means 1 by x. Okay, x raised to minus 1 means 1 by x. Then multiply the quotient by 1 by x. Okay, what is quotient here? Now quotient is this one. So 1 by x into 1 by dy by dx plus 1 by x into minus 1 by xy equal to 1 by x into 1. So using this integrated factor quotient, we are multiplying the quotient, the whole quotient by 1 by x. Okay, so this line is obtained. Whatever may be the left side, we are taking its simplification as d by dx of y into this integrated factor for every question. For every question, after the multiplication by integrated factor, a long step will be obtained. Whatever may be the left side, you just write d by dx of y into this integrated factor. And what is right side? 1 by x into 1. Then integrating d by dx of y into 1 by x, then integral and differential can be removed. So this and this are being cut. So y by x is the remaining part. Y by x is equal to integral 1 by x dx, that is log x plus c. Form the differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to a sin x plus b, where a and b are constants. Given what is y a sin x plus b, then taking d by dx equal to a into what is sin x plus b? Cos x plus b. A derivative of sin is cos. Then again differentiating d square y by dx square equal to a into what is the derivative of cos x plus b minus sin x plus b, or minus a sin x plus b, d square y by dx square minus a sin x plus b. That is question. A sin x plus b means y. So a sin x plus b means y. So minus 5. This is the answer. D square y by dx square equal to minus, this is the question, y. Okay, minus 5. Find the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. Then variables are to be separated. X എല്ലാം ഒരു സൈഡിൽ, y എല്ലാം വേറെ സൈഡിൽ. ഹിയർ dy ഈ 1 plus y square ഈ സൈഡിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരാം. dy divided by 1 plus y square equal to ds divided by 1 plus x square. Then taking integral on both sides. Integral 1 by 1 plus phi square dy is equal to integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this is what tan inverse phi equal to tan inverse s plus c. Then another chapter combining of two chapters, vector algebra and three-dimensional geometry. If vector A is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k and B is equal to 8i plus 4j plus 12k, what is A cross B? What is the formula or procedure for finding A cross B? Determinant ijk 2, 1, 3, 8, 4, 12. Then I into, you cover this line and this line is 1, 3, 4, 12. Then minus j into, cover this line and this line 2, 3, 8, 12 plus k into, automatically minus plus k into, you remove, cover this line and this line 2, 1, 8, 4. Okay. Then after expansion you will get this one and hence 0. Answer is 0. Why answer is 0? Look at the question. 2, 1, 3. Actually 2 into 4, 8. 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 4, 12. So this B is a multiple of this one. That is why answer is 0. Anyway, we can find the answer by solving this, by doing these steps. The Cartesian equation of a line is x by 2 equal to y by 4 equal to z by 2. Write the corresponding vector equation. We have the formula x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Here x by 2 means x minus 0 by 2. Okay, y minus 0 by 4, z minus 0 by 2. So x1 is 0, y1 is 0, z1 is 0. Okay. Then this is A2, B4, C2. And the vector equation is what? Vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda into B. A means what? x1i plus y1j plus z1k, 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay. Plus lambda into vector B is what? ai plus bj plus ck, 2i plus 4j plus 2k. Okay. So this is the answer. This is what 0, so only this part is remaining. Show that the vectors a equal to I minus 2j plus 3k and b is equal to minus 2i plus 3j plus 4k and vector c is equal to I minus 3j plus 5k are coplanar. To find these three vectors are coplanar, we are making this step. 1, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 1, minus 3, 5. Okay. If this answer is 0, these vectors are coplanar. So 1 into cover this row and this row, 3 minus 4 minus 3, 5. Okay, and you solve, and then you will get answer as 0. Therefore these three vectors are coplanar. Okay. Then find the shortest distance between the lines. Vector r is equal to I plus j plus lambda into 2i minus j plus k. Vector r is equal to 2i plus j minus k plus mu into 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay. Vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda into vector b. Vector a plus mu into vector b. I plus j, there is no k, therefore we are adding 0k. Okay. So here we have the formula shortest distance is equal to modulus b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 divided by modulus of b1 cross b2. This is the formula. What is a1 and a2? This is a1, I plus j plus 0k. a2, 2i plus j minus k. b1, 2i minus j plus k. b2, 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay. a1, a2, b1. Then b1 cross b2 is what? Determinant by the formula I, j, k. b1 cross b2. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. Okay. This one is b1 cross b2. Then I into minus 1, 1, minus 5, 2. Minus j into 2, 1, 3, 2. Plus k into 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5. Then I into minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into minus 5 minus j into 2 into 4 minus 3 plus k into 2 into minus 5 minus 1 into 3. Okay. And finally you will get 3i minus j minus 7k. What is its modulus? Root of 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 7 square. So root of 59. Okay. Then a2 minus a1 is needed. What is a2? a2 this one, a1 this one. So a2 minus a1 is 2i plus j minus k minus I plus j plus 0k. That's 2i minus 1i, j minus j 0, minus k minus 0k minus k. So a2 minus a1 is this one. So anyway, shortest distance is equal to what? b1 cross b2. What is b1 cross b2? This one, 3i minus j minus 7k dot a2 minus a1 is this one, divided by modulus of b1 cross b2 is what? This one. Okay. Then how do you find dot product? 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0 plus minus 7 into minus 1 divided by root of 59 plus 3 plus minus 0 plus 7 is 10 by root of 59 is the answer. Find the Cartesian and vector equation of the plane with the intercepts 2, 3, 4 on the x, y, z axis. What is the formula? X by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Okay. So x by a means 2, b 3, c 4. X by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. Right. And cross multiplication 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. Then x into 3 into 4 plus y into 2 into 4 plus z into 2 into 3, and finally 12x plus 8y plus 6z by 24. Okay, then 24 is moved to right side, so this one, and after cutting then 12. Okay, 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 12. Then what is Cartesian equation? R dot n is equal to d. Okay, so R dot, what is n? How do you find n? You take the 6, 4 and 3, 6i plus 4j plus 3k, okay, is equal to 12. If L, M, N are the directional cosines of a line in space, then L square plus M square plus N square is dash. What is L? A by root of A square plus B square plus C square. M, B by root of A square plus B square plus C square. N, C by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Then L square plus M square plus N square is what? Squaring. A square divided by this square root is removed. A square plus B square plus C square, and B square, this one, this one. Then same denominator, you take only one denominator, then adding A square plus B square plus C square, then cutting 1. So answer is 1. For the equation of the plane passing through the points 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 5, 5, 3, minus 3. So equation of a plane passing through 3 points, its formula is this one. What is the formula? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. So x minus x1, x minus 2, y minus 5, z minus minus 3. Okay. Then x2 minus x1, x2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 5, 5 minus minus 3. Okay. Similarly, this line will be 0. X minus 2, y minus 5, z plus 3, minus 4, minus 8, 8, 3, minus 2, 0. Okay. Then you expand x minus 2 into, then cover this line and this line, minus 8, 8, minus 2, 0, minus y minus 5 into, cover this and this, minus 4, 8, 3, 0, plus z plus 3, cover this and this, minus 4, minus 8, 3, minus 2. Okay, 0. Then cross multiplication, and finally you will get this step and this step finally. Okay. Linear programming problem. Solve the linear programming problem graphically. Maximize z equal to 4x plus y subject to the constraints x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x plus y less than or equal to 90, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. For solving this problem, first we are taking x plus y equal to 50. Okay. Then drawing the column x, y, you first fill this 0 and this 0. When x equal to 0, y will be 50. When y equal to 0, x will be 50. Similarly, for the second line, 3x plus y equal to 90, x, y, first you fill 0, 0 here. When x equal to 0, 3 and 0, 0, then y is equal to 90. Then when y equal to 0, 3x will be 90, x will be 30. Okay. And after drawing a graph, so what is first line? X plus y equal to 50. 0, 50 and 50, 0. 0, 50 and 50, 0. So this is first line. Name it as x plus y equal to 50. Similarly, you draw second line. Okay. Then it is to be shaded. For that, first inequality is first question is what? X plus y less than or equal to 50. Okay. So x plus y less than or equal to 50 is this line. So when we shade this part, 0, 0 will be covered. So applying 0, 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, the 0 less than or equal to 50, which is true because 50 is a value number, 0 ചെറുതാണ്. Okay. So this part is to be shaded. This part is to be shaded. ഇങ്ങനെ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യും. ഇത് ഫുള്ള് ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യും. അതേപോലെ സെക്കൻഡ് ലൈൻ്റെ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യും. Common shading will be this region. Okay. Which are the its boundaries? These are the boundaries. Okay. Which are the points? 0, 0, 30, 0. It is 20, 30, 0, 50. These are the corner points. 0, 0, 30, 0, 20, 30, 0, 50. Then what is x? Subject maximize z equal to 4x plus y. 4x plus y. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0. When x equal to 30, y equal to 0, 430, 120. When x is equal to 20, y is equal to 30. X 20 ആകുമ്പോൾ 420, 120 plus 30. When x is equal to 20 ആകുമ്പോൾ 480. 80 plus 30, 110. And similarly, all columns may be filled. So which is the greatest number? 120. So maximum value is equal to 120. Then last chapter, probability. If A is a subset of B, means A is a part of B. B വലുതാണ്, A ചെറുതാണ്. ഇത് B വലുത്, A ചെറുത്. Then the value of P of probability of B given A is dash. We have the formula P of B given A means B intersection A by P of A. ഈ ഫോർമുല പഠിച്ചു നോക്കാം. What is B intersection A? B intersection A means what? B ൻ്റെയും A ൻ്റെയും കോമൺ. B ൻ്റെയും A ൻ്റെയും കോമൺ മീൻസ് A തന്നെയാണ്. B വലുതല്ലേ, A ആണ് കോമൺ. സോ P of B intersection A means what? P of A itself. Divide by P of A, കട്ടാക്കുക 1. So 1 is answer. Probability of solving specific problem independently by capital A and capital B are 1/2 and 1/3 respectively. ഇപ്പോൾ A എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആൾ പ്രോബ്ലം സോൾവ് ആകാനുള്ള പ്രോബിലിറ്റി 1/2. ഓക്കെ, എൻ്റെ പ്രോബിലിറ്റി 1/2. അപ്പോൾ A ചെയ്യാണ്ടിരിക്കാനുള്ള പ്രോബിലിറ്റി 1/2 തന്നെ. ഓക്കെ, B ചെയ്യേണ്ട പ്രോബിലിറ്റി 1/3. B ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കാനുള്ള പ്രോബിലിറ്റി 2/3. 3-ൽ 1 ചെയ്യും, അപ്പം 3-ൽ 2 ചെയ്യൂല. എന്നിട്ട് എന്താ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്? If both try to solve the problem independently, find the probability that exactly one of them solves the problem. അല്ലേ, കൃത്യം ഒരാൾ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യണം. ആ ഒരാൾ എങ്ങനെയാവാം? A ചെയ്യുക, B ചെയ്യണ്ട, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ A ചെയ്യണ്ട, B ചെയ്യുക, അതൊക്കെ ഒരാൾ. ഓക്കെ, 6 പ്രോബിലിറ്റി യൂണിയനാണ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം യൂണിയൻ മീൻസ് പ്ലസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. P of A B കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് പ്ലസ് P of A കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് B. ഇപ്പോൾ A B കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് മീൻസ് വാട്ട്? A ചെയ്യുക, B പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യണ്ട. A കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് B മീൻസ് A പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യണ്ട, B ചെയ്യാം. P of A B complement means what? P of A into P of B complement plus P of A complement into P of B. What's P of A? 1/2 into P of B complement 2/3 ഉണ്ട്. ഇതെല്ലാം ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. ലാസ്റ്റ് ആൻസർ 1/2. 3 cards are drawn successively without replacement from a pack of 52 well shuffled playing cards. What is the probability that first 2 cards are kings and the third card drawn is an ace? അപ്പോൾ 52 cards ടോട്ടൽ ഉണ്ട്. അതായത് 3 കാർഡ് എടുക്കുന്നു. വെൽ സക്സസീവ്ലി വിത്തൗട്ട് റീപ്ലേസ്മെൻറ്റ് ഒന്നിച്ചല്ല എടുക്കുന്നത്. ആദ്യം ഒരു കാർഡ് എടുക്കും, പിന്നെ വേറൊരു കാർഡ് എടുക്കും, പിന്നെ വേറൊരു കാർഡ് എടുക്കും. ഫസ്റ്റ് എടുത്ത കാർഡ് പിന്നെ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, അത് മാറ്റി വെച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, ടോട്ടൽ എത്ര കിങ് ഉണ്ട് ഒരു പാക്കറ്റിൽ? 4 കിങ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഒരു കിങ് എടുത്തു, 4 കിങ് എന്ന ഒരു കിങ് എടുത്തു അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കുന്ന കിങ്, സെക്കൻഡ് എടുക്കുന്ന കിങ്, തേർഡ് എടുക്കുന്ന എസ്, അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് 2 കാർഡ്സ് ആർ കിങ്. ഇതും കിങ്, ഇതും കിങ്, പിന്നെ എസ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഒരു കിങ് എടുക്കുകയെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ആകെ 4 കിങ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, ടോട്ടൽ കാർഡ് 52 ഉണ്ട്, അതെടുത്തു. അത് പിന്നെ അങ്ങോട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല, ദർഫോർ ഒരു കിങ്ങിന് കുറഞ്ഞു, 3 ടോട്ടൽ കാർഡ് 51 ആയി ഇൻറ്റു പിന്നെ എസ് കാർഡ് 4 ഉണ്ട്, 4/58 ആണ് കാർഡ്, കാരണം ഇത് രണ്ടും എടുത്തല്ലോ. സോ ഇതെല്ലാം മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, ദാറ്റ്സ് ആൻസർ. A box contains 10 black and 5 white balls. 2 balls are drawn from this box. ഒരു ബോക്സിൽ ഇത്ര ബോൾ ഉണ്ട്, 10 ബ്ലാക്ക് 5 വൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. 2 balls എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. 2 balls are drawn from this box, one after other without replacement. What is the probability that the both drawn balls are black? ഇത് രണ്ടും ബ്ലാക്ക് ആണ്. ഇപ്പം പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ P1 P2 ആദ്യത്തെ ബ്ലാക്ക് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ബ്ലാക്ക്, ഇത് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ബ്ലാക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 10 ബ്ലാക്ക് എന്ന് ഒരു ബ്ലാക്ക് വരും, 10/15 ഇൻറ്റു മറ്റേ ബ്ലാക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ബ്ലാക്ക് കുറഞ്ഞു, 9, 15ൽ 14 ഉണ്ടാവും. ഓക്കെ, so that is all about this chapter and this part. Okay, thank you.